Hi, this is Jonathan with Van Windows Direct, and today we're excited to show you our new double slider for the Sprinter van. It's going to fit the 140 and 170 wheelbase from 2007 all the way up to today. This one is going to be for the driver side forward position, so the one right behind the driver's seat across from the passenger sliding door. As you'll see on the outside, it has a nice flat framework, so nothing that sticks out too much. And then we're going to have both sliding panels. So you can slide glass panel from the front of the window and expose a 16 by 18 inch opening. You can also slide from the rear and have also a 16 by 18, or we can kind of split the difference and have an opening on both the front and the rear. It will be in a 15% allowable solar privacy glass. You'll have drainages on the bottom, so any water that gets in the tracks when it's raining or washing your van will dissipate through there. And then let's take a look on the inside of this window. The window will come with a screen and shade framework pre-installed on the window, so all you'll have to do is urethane bond it onto the van, pretty much just like a solid regular window. If you pull up, you will expose the bug screen. It holds together with magnets. You can separate it, pull down, and you have a 3-ply privacy shade. The center ply is a UV, so it cuts down some of the heat that comes through the glass, keep the cab nice and comfortable. The framework, this is covered in a white plastic to protect the coating, so you'll just peel this off and it's an all black framework. This should add a lot of value to the interior of your van, make interior builds easier by going just around a rectangular framework rather than oblong shapes of the windows. So great ventilation, great usability. You have the screen shade combination. This window, it will be considered a really premium window, excellent for camping, conversions, anything that you might need to do with your Sprinter van. So take a look at this one on vanwindowsdirect.com. It's going to have a full viewable area of 42 by 14 3/4, and it's going to be model number T904697. So again, this is a double slider for a Sprinter van from Van Windows Direct. Thank you.